Hey everyone, this is Darren from Daily Crypto Trade Signals, come to you live from Asia, guys. We got a huge update. The Vice President of the United States just said this about crypto and Bitcoin. Looks like we got some interesting news coming out of Pakistan and much more, guys. Massive XRP update, and also too huge news that could impact the price of XRP long-term, guys, and Bitcoin and crypto. So we're going to dive into that, guys. So massive news for XRP. Let's jump into the content without any further delay. Don't forget to go back and watch all my other videos. Remember, none of this is financial advice. And don't forget to go down there and smashy the like buttons. Show that you're a freaking human being out there. Show some love for the OG. And don't forget to go down. And it looks like a heart mark. Looks like that. And give a super thank. Support the channel as much as you want. I got my OJ in the morning, fueling up, starting a new fantastic day here in Asia. It's hot. It's hot. And you guys may have noticed I've changed my banner. So comment. What do you guys think about the banner? And guys, comment. What do you think about XRP? What do you think about crypto right now? Are you guys staying in? Are you guys leaving the space out there? Don't forget, we got the huge Bitcoin conference going in Las Vegas right now. So maybe that's why crypto is going down, because all the crypto crazies are in Las Vegas and they've lost all their money at the craps table and the roulette table. Maybe that's what's going on. Let's see. And that's why crypto is going down, because they need to sell all their crypto to pay for all their losses. So let's see what's happening out there. If you take a look at the heat map right now, we're seeing that most of everything is down, except Ethereum is up 2.9%. We're seeing Bitcoin is at 108.059, and XRP is at $2.29. XRP really not looking good right now. Doge is also down as well. If you take a look at the crypto bubbles, the only thing that's really up is SBX is up, Uni's up. A lot of the altcoins are doing okay. Gala is up, CRV is up, Floki is up, but yeah. What can I say? XRP is disappointing right now. The market cap is still above 3.3 trillion, so that is a good place to be. Slightly down, minus 0.6%. We're seeing Bitcoin dollars is falling out there. We're also seeing that Bitcoin right now is hitting resistance at all-time highs, 111,000, and some people are saying that Bitcoin could drop back down to $92,000. So we could maybe drop back down to this level. It's possible that we could see a drop in Bitcoin back down to $100,000 level. But you can see we've got some resistance right here at all-time highs around about here. That's where we are, and we seem to be hitting this yellow line for Bitcoin. Remember, this yellow line goes back almost 2 years. It's kind of like a resistance line. We really need to get past that out there. So if we don't get past that, then we're going to get rejection, and we could be going down and back down to this area here and accumulate. And if that happens, that could take XRP back down to like 180, 190, under $2. So I think it's a good buying opportunity, in my opinion. A lot of people don't want to hear that, but that's the reality. So overall, we're seeing pullback for Bitcoin. We're seeing Ethereum is on fire right now. XRP is down again, 1.07%. BNB is up. Solana is down. The Doge is down, but Doge is holding strategically very strong at a 22-cent level. That is a key level for Dogecoin to hold, guys. So let's dive deeper into XRP. What's going on? XRP has just been sliding. You know, so apparently there was a letter sent yesterday to a letter sent yesterday to the judge talking about the whole case and this and that. And I think one of the reasons that XRP is down is this whole SEC case is really taking its time, and people are getting a little bit, you know, they want to take some profit off the table. They're getting a little bit tired. I think people are getting tired. We're seeing Dogecoin right now at 22 cents. It's faring much better than most of the crypto market. It's pretty good. If you take a look at the crypto market, it's down average right now 0.6%. So you can see Doge is kind of almost in line with that, 0.18%. But yeah, XRP not doing good at all. I must say, I must admit it. Must be honest. Good news. It looks like Justin Vice President J.D. Vance says we do not believe Bitcoin competes with the dollar. Bitcoin will become strategically important for the United States. So that is good news. What other news is coming in? Looks like President Trump files appeal after federal court blocks tariffs. Yeah, so that's not good. Justin 21 share files for spot Dogecoin ETF. That is good. Also, other good news is NVIDIA raises 5% after following earnings report. A lot of the stock market was waiting for that. So that is also very positive news out there. Looks like also Justin BlackRock acquires 10% of UDC issuer Circle IPO shares. So remember, I did tell you that the UDC deal is off the freaking table. Ripple is not going to be buying that. Coinbase is not going to be buying that. They're issuing an IPO. And looks like BlackRock has taken 10% of those shares. So something is definitely happening with BlackRock and USDC. Something is afoot, boys and girls. Let's listen to this. Let's absolutely listen to this.
Strategic implications of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is owned by about 50 million Americans. A lot of Americans have made a lot of money, have created a lot of wealth for themselves, and that's a great thing. But I actually think that where Bitcoin is going is as a strategically important asset for the United States over the next decade. It's one of the reasons why President Trump, with the help of our great AI guy, David Sachs, it's one of the reasons why we started the Bitcoin Reserve, because we want to start to put in motion the strategic importance of Bitcoin for the United States government. We know that the PRC doesn't like Bitcoin. The People's Republic of China doesn't like Bitcoin. Well, we should be asking ourselves, why is that? Why is our biggest adversary such an opponent of Bitcoin? And if the Communist Republic of China is leaning away from Bitcoin, then maybe the United States ought to be leaning into Bitcoin. And that's one of the things that
I mean, this is completely wild. Can you imagine a vice president of the United States at a Bitcoin conference in Las Vegas talking about Bitcoin? This is huge. I have no idea why this did not pump Bitcoin to all-time highs. Absolutely no idea, but this is amazing. Good news. Also, it looks like Pakistan just announced to establish strategic Bitcoin reserve. This is a great time to be alive.
Today is a very historic day because today I will announce that the Pakistani government is setting up their own government-led Bitcoin strategic reserve. And we want to thank the United States of America again, because we are getting inspired from them. And this wallet, the National Bitcoin Wallet, is not for speculation or hype. We will be holding these Bitcoins and we will never ever sell them.
There's also positive news. A lot of good stuff happening around Bitcoin, but the price is not pumping. Looks like just in breaking news, Saudi Prince, a NASDAQ-listed company, 121 million raised to stack XRP. So the first public company going all in XRP. This isn't hype. It's legacy wealth betting on a new standard. How can you be bearish on XRP? So VivoPower announces XRP-focused digital asset treasury strategy, US 121 million private placement, priced at $6.05 a share, above last market close. So this is pretty good as well. This is also very positive. Also, just coming in, looks like 97 to 98% of all Americans and FOMC says, look, we're not going to get any rate hikes. Things are going to be flat. So that is also not good. Fed 98% likely to leave key rate intact after minutes emphasize economic uncertainty. So there's still a lot of economic uncertainty happening out there, and that's another reason why we're seeing that crypto is just going sideways right now. Also coming in, XRP joins crypto treasury as VivoPower raised $120 million to launch XRP reserve. This is positive, NASDAQ listed company. But just keep in mind, right now, if you take a look at Bitcoin treasuries, you can see that right now ETFs holding 6.5%, countries 2%, public companies 3%, Private companies 1.89%. So overall, where people are still accumulating Bitcoin like crazy, countries are accumulating, and we're seeing that the amount of Bitcoin on reserves is going lower and lower and lower right now. So the number one country right now holding Bitcoin is the United States, China, UK, Ukraine, Bhutan, El Salvador, Finland, Georgia, and Germany. So if you think about it, even though China is always kind of a Debbie Downer when it comes to crypto, they're the second biggest holder of Bitcoin by nation state. So interesting. Looking at the XRP chart right now, it's not looking good. We're still way below the EMA ribbons. Things are not looking good. We've got some overhead resistance for XRP around about $2.34 out there. We're seeing that right now the search volume for XRP is going down. We're seeing fear and greed right now is also going down as well. Let me give this a minute to refresh. And yeah, things are just going sideways. Pretty boring out there for crypto overall, I must say. Justin Tomley, the next 90 days will make XRP millionaires in 2025. Let's hope so. Bitcoin, as we said, is just doing its thing. Dogecoin right now is still looking very good. It's above the 22-cent level. This is a key support level. I still believe big breakout is coming for Dogecoin. And guys, go down there, check out my exchange that I partner with. Get 10% bonus for signing up. Get copy trading, leverage trading. You can do it, everything right there. Go check my link below. I appreciate it. Also, we're seeing right now Dogecoin price break out to 50 cents confirmed if it breaks this channel resistance. So as I've been telling you for a very long time, 22 cents is a key area for Dogecoin. We're still in that area, still holding pretty strong. And it looks like the announced daily candle time frame chart shared with Analyst suggests that once Dogecoin clears the upper trend line of this descending channel, heavy upside momentum could drive the price to 33 cents. So looking pretty good. We need to break out from this. If we can break out from this trend line, and I think we can do that because we're seeing that Dogecoin, despite the ups and downs of the market, Dogecoin is very stable right now and holding the 22 cent area. So this is very positive news for Dogecoin right there. So Q2 Bitcoin is at 30.58%. And we're also seeing right now the monthly returns for Bitcoin is 14.47%. Pretty similar to what we're seeing in April. So not too shabby out there, guys. So that's going to bring this video to a close. I'll see you on the freaking next one. Peace out.